Hey, how's it going? Most of you know I live in Minnesota, and one thing we do in Minnesota is we play hockey. So I have four little ones playing hockey right now. One of them's a goalie, and here to show off the Sparx hockey sharpener. This is my second season using the Sparx sharpener. Again, it might not be for everybody. I'll just do a quick overview of why I got it and why I like it, and maybe why it's for you. So the Sparx sharpener is super easy to use. Skates just go down in here. It has this little travel guard on there. It just comes right out. There's a little lever over here. You just push that down, and then it clamps the skate blade in place. You got this little dust shield here. You pull that in, and then it's as simple as just hitting the play button. Yeah, well, you got to turn it on first. It'll run through its setup procedure. Now we'll sharpen. So there we go, and that's it. That's all you got to do. You got a nice, good edge on there. I sharpen about twice a week because the kids do skate every day and multiple games on weekends. It's super easy. I'll show you some accessories in another video, but there's carrying cases, there's covers, so I basically leave this out all winter long. So right now it's just kind of preseason, 3-on-3 leagues and warm-ups and training camps, stuff like that. So it's really handy to have. And I kept a tally last year. I think this is about $1,000 for the package. It's $5 for a skate sharpening at our local sporting goods shop. So I kept track, $5 of sharpening. On average, I was sharpening 5 to 7 pairs of skates multiple times a week. Pond hockey tends to dull the skates a lot faster. And I did some friend skates and neighborhood skates. But I'm already halfway to making my money back on this thing with the amount of skate sharpening I've done. So that's a lot of skates. That's 100 sharpenings right there. And I've done at least 100 sharpenings in the year plus that I've owned this. So it made financial sense for me. It might for you if you have a lot of kids, or if you have a hockey team, or you just like to keep a keen edge without having to go to the skate sharpening store a couple times a week. So it's really convenient to have. It travels. I've taken it on road trips, sharpened skates on the bed of my pickup truck for kids and in the hotel lobby. Just works really well. They have a lot of good sharpening accessories. They're a little on the high side, but you get what you pay for. All of it's been very high quality stuff. So I'll be posting some more Sparx videos if you guys want to see it. Maybe some tutorials on how I align it. I've had a couple of issues with it, mostly operator error, not understanding the features of the Sparx sharpener. How to set it up for different size skates. I mean, my youngest is 4 who plays. He's got a much different size skate than me. I'm a 10.5. My son here is a 7.5. So and without doing any sort of adjustment, it does all the skate blades just fine. Absolutely love it. So stay tuned for more Sparx videos. Anyway, thanks for watching.